To fix a frozen Peloton touchscreen, several causes can be identified, including problems with the display settings, software issues, or faulty wire connections. Fortunately, there are easy steps to resolve this issue. Firstly, resetting the touchscreen can be an effective solution. This involves turning the Peloton off, unplugging it from the socket, and then inserting a paper clip into the hole next to the power button. The paper clip should be kept in place for 10 seconds while the Peloton is plugged back into the socket, and then released. If this method does not work, using a USB-C mouse can be a viable alternative. In some cases, a damaged screen may need to be replaced. Updating the firmware is also a crucial step, which can be done by opening the settings, selecting About, checking for updates under Firmware Update, selecting Update Now, and choosing the Update Firmware option. Then waiting for the updates to finish and restarting the Peloton. Additionally, checking the wire connections is essential, as loose cables can be tightened, and the HDMI and power cables can be unplugged and plugged back in. If necessary, any damaged cables should be replaced. By following these steps, a frozen Peloton touchscreen can be easily fixed.